Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel like you're too busy to chase your dreams? Maybe you work 8 hours a day, commute through traffic, juggle responsibilities, and by the time you sit down, you're exhausted. So how on earth do people start YouTube channel while working full-time? I'll show you, because I'm not just talking theory, I'm living it. I'm a full-time school director. I have students, staff, my own kids, responsibilities, and yet this channel is growing. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it, what I had to give up, and the one mindset shift that made it all possible. Hi, Max here. Welcome back to the channel where we make psychology practical, communication powerful, and creativity possible, even with a full plate. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes, not just strategies, but the reality of starting a YouTube channel while managing a full-time job, especially if you're like me, someone who leads a school, teaches kids, and still believes your story matters. Make sure you hit that like button if you're balancing work and content creation, and subscribe if you want practical psychological strategies to grow on YouTube while staying sane. Let me bust a myth right now. You don't find time. You make time by subtracting what doesn't matter. I used to say things like, I wish I had time to make videos, but here's what I learned. The time will never magically appear. You're never going to finish work one day and suddenly feel free. So I had to make trade-offs. I stopped scrolling endlessly on my phone. I cut out unnecessary meetings, and I replaced 1 hour of Netflix with 1 hour of scripting. I asked myself, what is stealing time from my purpose? That single question changed everything. And yes, it was hard, because when you work full time, your energy is limited, so you have to protect it like it's gold. Here's how I built my YouTube routine step by step. I found my first 90-minute window every single week. Just one. That was enough to start. For me, it was Saturday morning before my kids woke up. 30 minutes of planning the topic, 30 minutes writing a rough script, and 30 minutes filming B-roll or rough talking at Crips. That 90 minutes became sacred. Eventually, I added another 60 minutes on Sunday to edit and schedule the videos. But I didn't wait for the perfect workflow. I started messy with whatever time I had, and slowly I got faster. Here's the powerful part about having a full-time job. Your work is content. As a school director and teacher, I encounter stories every single day. A shy student who found their voice, a conflict that needed some type of communication skills, a challenge that required leadership psychology. Instead of hiding my day job, I used it. Every lesson at work became a message for my videos. So if you're a banker, a barrister, a teacher, or an engineer, you have content all around you. You don't need to become a different person for YouTube. You need to become more of yourself. Alright, quick check-in. If this video is giving you hope and direction, do me a favor. Hit the like button so YouTube shows this video to more hardworking dreamers like you. And drop a comment, what's your biggest challenge balancing YouTube with work? I read everyone. Wanna know the truth that freed me? Nobody cares if your video is perfect. They care if it's real. Perfectionism is the enemy of creators with day jobs. You think, if I can't film with the perfect setup, I shouldn't film at all. But real growth happens when you show up anyway. Psychologically, that's called the action confidence loop. The more you act, the more confident you become. And the more confident you become, the more you act. You don't wait for credit, you earn it through movement. So I gave myself permission to start on camera, use my phone to record, upload even when I wasn't 100% sure. And guess what? People responded to the honesty because it was relatable. Let me give you a snapshot of my current weekly flow. Monday, I jot down content ideas during my work breaks. Tuesday, I skipped 30 minutes after work. And Friday night, I set up gear, test lighting, and Saturday morning, I film 1 or 2 videos. Sunday, I edit, design thumbnail, upload, and schedule. All while running a school. No team, no studio, just me, camera, and a plan. The trick isn't doing more, it's making each step simple and repeatable. Let's be real, starting a channel while working full-time means giving up some things. The illusion of overnight growth, some social time or entertainment. But you gain something bigger: control of your voice, ownership of your story, and growing digital legacy. Your energy is limited, but your conviction can be unlimited. And that's what powers you through. You don't need a perfect schedule. You need a powerful reason. For me, that reason was legacy. I wanted my kid to see their dad build something. I wanted my students to learn not just from books, but from watching me chase something meaningful. And I wanted to prove myself and to you that Full-time work isn't an excuse, it's a foundation. So whether you have 1 hour a week or 5, use it. Start. Messy, imperfect, tired, but just start, because your story matters and we are waiting to hear it. If this helped you, watch the next video where I show you how I beat camera shyness with one weird trick. And don't forget to subscribe. You're building a family of brave creators here. Until next time, stay bored, stay grounded. I'm Max, and I believe your story matters.